Hey folks, we are going to take a look into this cabinet lock, and I was able to actually install this into one of the metal filing cabinets, but by default it comes maybe assuming you would install it on a wooden drawer. As you can see in this washer, there are two sharp pieces which would go behind the hole inside the drawer, and then you would kind of hammer it in, and then you would basically push this part from the outside and into that hole, and you would basically just slide this in, and then you need to use the washer to securely tighten this washer using the nut here. And so at the back you would then install the latch, depending on paying attention to which direction it's supposed to go, and then it has this screw that screws here. So the screw goes here inside. So actually, the way I installed this into a metal filing cabinet, using pliers, I flattened those two sharp pieces, and just tightened this nut. So for very basically, even though the filing cabinet's metal is like a very thin metal, it seems to work fine. And another trick is if you are trying to use this to replace an existing lock. Sometimes these latch designs are different. So let me give you an example of how else that latch look like. For example, the one that was installed on my unit was looking like this, but you may be able to kind of retrofit these. Basically, you can just try installing this here instead of the original latch that came with the lock. So this also is using this lock you can repair one of your existing ones, or just install it from scratch. So that's all. Thanks for watching.